world. Today our topic is about storytelling. ओके क्लास, जैसे कि आपने स्टोरी टेलिंग जो है वो आपने लैपटॉप पे देखी थी, अब मैं आपसे उससे स्टोरी टेलिंग के क्वेश्चनिंग करती हूँ आपसे. हाउ मेनी कैरेक्टर्स इन दिस स्टोरी? शाबाश, नेम देम. शाबाश, आमना एंड अंकल. ओके क्लास, हाउ मेनी birds and animals in this story? Two birds. And how many animals in this story? Two animals. Tell you bird's name. Again, tell you bird's name. Pigeon and parrot. Okay. Tell you animals name. Shabash, peacock and rabbit. What is the color of rabbit eyes? Red color. Okay class, where dancing the peacock? Where the dancing peacock? In rain. I hope you understand the story. Clapping for you. Clapping for you.
Dear students, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment the video. Thank you very much.